Okay, so guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can open HEIC file in your Windows 11. So if you have iPhone, then you'll see these file extensions everywhere, guys, because iPhone captures the image and the extension is HEIC. So when we click on it, it will not open, as you guys can see. So it will say it that download and install it now. So we will need the HEVC video extension. So let's try to do this first. Let's click on it, then let's try to download this, guys, if it fixes or not. So as you guys can see, it's not free, it will cost us money. So why, guys, purchase anything when you can just fix this by a very simple step? What you have to do is open any kind of browser you have, then go to google.com, and when you go to google.com, type here HEIC to PNG converter. So when you type it, then go to this cloud convert website, because this website is good to convert files. So guys, let's click on it, then just click on convert. When you click on convert, guys, it will convert the file. So as you guys can see, it will process it, and whenever the process is completed, then it will just download it in our PC. So guys, if you want to edit this or do any kind of stuff, then it will be easy to do it in a format that most computers understand, so that you can easily use it on any kind of PC. So right now the HEIC file is of 2.8 megabytes of size, and this is of 16 MB. And let me tell you guys, the pixels are good, guys. It's just like the pixels in the HEIC file. So I think, yeah, guys, this is how you can just convert the extension and use it basically.